The development of new technologies has always been a driving force behind progress in different fields. One of the latest breakthroughs is the creation of small portable nuclear reactors that can be installed in various parts of the world to meet energy needs. Radiant Industries, one of the leading companies in this field, has developed a new technology based on TRISO particles. TRISO particles, which stand for tristructural isotropic, are small pellets used as fuel for the reactor. They are coated with multiple layers of ceramic and carbon materials to protect them from the high temperatures generated during the nuclear reaction. The particles have a diameter of about 1 millimeter and are designed to remain stable even in extreme conditions. The Radiant reactor is designed to be small, compact, and portable. It can be transported to remote locations, where it can generate electricity and meet energy demands. This is particularly useful for military bases, research facilities, and remote communities where access to the grid is limited. The reactor is easy to install and can be operational within a short time, making it an ideal solution for emergency situations. One of the advantages of TRISO particles is their high melting temperature, which makes the reactor resistant to melting. Radiant Industries conducted extensive tests on the TRISO particles, subjecting them to temperatures of up to 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 1,648 degrees Celsius, and found no damage. This makes the reactor safe to operate and reduces the risk of accidents. The Radiant reactor uses helium as a coolant to facilitate passive heat removal. This mechanism helps to prevent the reactor from overheating and melting in the event of a sudden shutdown. The TRISO particles only need to be refueled once every 5 years, making the reactor self-sustaining and cost-effective. The development of small portable nuclear reactors has opened up new opportunities in the energy sector. They offer a viable alternative to traditional power sources, such as coal and oil, which have a negative impact on the environment. The Radiant reactor, based on TRISO particles, is a promising technology that could change the way we generate and use energy.